Basketball, you betcha we're winning basketball games, and you betcha we're winning at anybody training with us. It is the Daily Trainer, and I'm back once again, and you know it. We got to get to work, baby. Yes. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know if you need some. Let me know if you need some help with your game. I'm here to give suggestions as well, not just here to give you workouts. Remember, I am always available. If I don't hit you back right when you hit me on the comments, I will get to you the next day because I'm the Daily Trainer. So I'll see you every day. So don't forget that, all right? Basketball, you know what time it is. Let's get started. We're going to go right into our warm-up, of course, and we're going to go with a hot 17 real quick one more time to get us started on the right foot. And after we do that, we're going to jump right into agility. So give me a 17. You can do it with or without the ball, and then you're going to go right into your agility work. Okay, your agility work is going to consist of one leg hop squares, right? So you're going to be hopping in that square, one leg, so similar to the jump rope. Then you're going to give me broad jumps. After you give me broad jumps, okay, I want us to do our 2 feet going forward and our 2 feet going sideways, okay? And then we're going to go right into dribbling. Oh yeah, we got to work that handle, baby. We got to work that handle. So let's make sure we are dribbling with moves, okay? So we're not going to go with stationary dribbling or just dribbling on the move. We're going to dribble at the cone, okay? Today I'm going to add another cone, okay? So we're going to dribble, we're going to drive, we're going to hesitate, we're going to quick stop with that leg forward, and then we're going to go lay it up, okay? I want you to do each move at least today, just today, to really get better at it, because now we're starting to incorporate moves just a little bit, at least 5 times, okay? So we'll go with the hesitation, and then we'll stop with our leg, and then we'll go finish the layup on the right side and the left side. Then what we'll do is we will cross over, then go in and out and finish the layup. So remember, you'll start with your left hand, you'll cross over to the right hand, then we'll get to the next cone, and then you're going to go right, and then boom, right there for the layup. Okay, you're going to do that 5 times as well. All right, and then we're going to use that same type of crossover with the through the legs dribble. Okay, and then we're going to go in and out, and then we're going to finish. Okay, so we're just going to do those 3 today. So you're going to go 5, 5, 5, 5 on one side, 5, 5, 5, 5 on the other side. All right, then we're going to mix it up and go from those layups to the Mikan layups. Okay, and then once we do the Mikan layups, we got some shooting in store for you. All right. Now with those Mikan layups, don't forget, we want to go 20, man. Like, they're easy layups, but we want to consistently have that touch going off of 1 foot, and then we want to make sure we're going a little bit wider. We're not just pushing the ball up against the backboard and making an easy layup, right? We want to make it look like somebody's on us and we're trying to get it away from them, and then work on that spin and that rotation on the ball coming off the glass. All right, that is going to help us get better. All right, don't forget about that. So yeah, you're just gonna do 20 on one side, 20 on the other side. We're just gonna go 1 set today. Now with the shooting, okay, we're going to use that bank shot shooting today. I like it a lot because it just really shows that consistency of you hitting that same spot over and over again, right? And again, when a bigger defender comes, you got to have something to aim at when you can't see that basket, right? So the bank shot is like a lost art, such as the mid-range, right? But the mid-range is coming back because you got guys using it a lot and being successful with it. But people are also falling in love with that 3-point line. So with the mid-range bank shot, okay, remember it's just 3 levels. We're going to go, I heard it was a little hard, so because it was hard, let's go 3 makes each level, okay, on the right side and on the left side. All right, remember, it's not going to be in the middle. You're only going right side. You're going 1 hash from the block, hash mark, and then you're going to the other hash mark, and then the block. All right, so it's all banks though, no swishes, all banks. The biggest thing is you want to find the spot on the backboard that is consistent for you. We don't want to throw it hard off the backboard. We want to have a nice soft touch with the shot, and we still want to follow through and shoot the same type of shot. We don't want to try to aim at the backboard. All right, so let's make some shots. All right, then we're going to go with our 3-level cones. Okay, so we got our 1, 2, 3 cone across the top, and then 1, 2, 3 cones right under that free throw line. Okay, remember, we're going to go right into it with simple dribbles and simple pull-ups. And then today, because we already been doing moves, we're going to cross it over today, and we're going to pull up. Okay, I want you to make 3 each scenario. Right, so boom, we go left, we're pulling up, short range, boom, knock it down 3 times. Boom, go right to the top left, boom, pull up, hit the 3, and then boom, we're going middle again. We're coming with our left hand again, still hit 3, top part again, 3, stay in the middle, go with your right hand, 3, boom, coming back, 3 again. Then we want to go to all the way to the right side, pulling up short range, and then pulling up in the mid still with hitting those 3. Okay, now remember, with the crossover, we are going to go middle, but then directionally go to the outside cone. Okay, so if we're going to the left side, we're going to keep the ball in the right hand, break that cone down, going left, pull up. Right, if we're going to the right side, we're coming at the cone with our left hand, and then we're also going to pull up. Now, if you're on the outside cones, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the outside cone with our left hand as we originally would in a regular pull-up. Then we're going to cross over right into the middle, pull up for that shot. Same thing on the right side, going with the right hand, we're crossing over, we're pulling up. We're only making 3, whether they rattle in, whether they bank in, whether you get lucky and make them in. Okay, either way, we're only doing 3. All right, so this is going to be a lot of moving around, a lot of shooting, so you will be a little tired. So again, you can take that water break, or you can hit that free throw line like a real champion. See if you can make those 10 free throws I need you to make. Today, I would like you to make them at 70%. So that means you're gonna have to make 7 out of 10. Can you make 7 out of 10? And I can't believe you guys let me forget to open up with my favorite 3 questions that I told you I'd be asking you the entire time you'd be working out. But what better time to ask you than right now, when you're sipping on that cool water, or you are a little shaky at the free throw line? What's number 1? It is, are you in shape? That's the question. Are you in shape? Number 2, are you in the best shape? Okay. Are you in the best shape? And then number 3, can you make plays while you're tired? Okay. These little things that don't go on the stat sheet is always overlooked. Being in shape is a stat that will never be documented, and people will never say this was the most in shape player ever in basketball history. But knowing that, we can take this as a skill and use it as an advantage over people who don't think it's that important. So we want to make sure when we do this, we are strategically timing things, getting in shape while pushing ourselves, but not in a way to where we're hurting ourselves, right? We still want to be able to manage our time wisely and get in shape in a healthy way, okay? We don't want our bodies hurting to where we can't run anymore, and we pull a muscle, or our hips are hurting, or our knees are hurting, or our feet are hurting. But we do need to push through and show ourselves that we can push our limits, all right? So that was just something I wanted to give you while you were taking your water break. All right, now getting into the last part of the workout, we are going to give you a combination of things real quick, real fast. So you got the rebounding drill. We're going to go right into that. So this is going to be a circuit. Boom, we got 10 rebounds, okay, with 10 putbacks, left side, right side, back to back, no rest. Then you're going to set the ball down. You're going to do your zigzags, bam, boom, 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 boom. Then you got your sprints. You're going to do 2 of those only. Okay. Then after you do that set, you're going to give me a liner. Okay. You'll be breathing hard right about this time. After you give me a liner, you are then going to slide across on the sideline, slide, turn, and run. Slide, turn, and run. I believe you haven't done that one yet, and if you haven't, then this one's a doozy. Okay, you're going to do that 3 times. Okay, you're going to do this set twice. You're going to take a 15-second break in between, and that's all you get. Okay, then you're going to go back to the free throw line, and then I need you to be 70% one more time while being tired. Please try to get that percentage and don't cheat yourself. All right, and that's it. You know how we do it every day. It is the Daily Trainer, and I'm so happy to have given you another workout and see the progression of a player being the best player they can be every day. I am out of here. I will see you tomorrow, ready to go again and give you just a little something extra to do, something new. You know, we're ready to do that. All right. So one thing I always want you to remember is someone's always working. Are you?